Guys, we're gonna do some sweet and spicy Asian style wings on my Blackstone coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and that bell next to it, and you get alerts on all what we're doing here. So what are we doing here today, guys? It's too pretty. It is too pretty to be inside working on some gadgets, some grill, indoors. I know you guys, a lot of my friends are ninja foodie fiends, wants to see me in that kitchen. But good Lord, the Lord has blessed us with a beautiful day, and I want to get some sunlight on me, let it wash down over me, make me feel better. You know, times are tough right about now. A lot of us are cooped up in the house. I don't want to be cooped up today. I want to get some air. As you can tell, it's a little breezy out here. Cars are driving by, air conditioning's on. It's all right. It's all right. We're going to cook up some beautiful wings on the Blackstone, easy as can be. I'm going to use a sweet heat rub that my guy Kit from Dutch BBQ sent me. This is not something you can buy in the stores, but if y'all go over there and subscribe to his channel, wait for this windstorm to die down, subscribe to his channel and just pester him in the comments, I'm pretty sure he'll put that recipe out to the world, all right? If you can't wait for that recipe, just get a nice sweet heat rub from your market. All right, no big deal. But my man Dutch is my co-host with the most on the Hot Seat, the show that we do every Thursday night. I need you guys subscribing to him, all right? So let's get over here on the Blackstone. We're gonna use the sweet heat rub. We're gonna use some sesame oil. We're gonna use some soy sauce, little green onions at the end. And it's just gonna be making a nice sticky kind of sticky sweet heat mess, which is what I'm hoping for. All right, let's get on that Blackstone. Come on back. All right, y'all, we are over on the Blackstone. I'm gonna spray it down with a little canola oil. You don't have to do this, but it's something I like to do. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of this sesame seed oil, this toasted sesame seed oil. A little bit will do you right. All right, so you don't have to kill it in there. And again, it's a nice breezy, lovely sunny day out here in sunny Southern California. So just might have to deal with it a little bit. All right, so I got the full wings going on. These guys come with a little handle. Good to go right there. If you want, you can chop them up, but I don't really feel like chopping them up. I feel like having my little wing handle on there. Just let them roll. All right, all the wings are on. I'm gonna mix them up a little bit, get a little of that oil going on here. Get that skin side down, get some of that fat and that skin rendering. All right, well, we got these chickens going. Chicken wings. I just got some green onions from my little garden over there. I'm gonna use my knife, just give them a nice rough chop. It'll be nice for a nice garnish when we're done. This knife right here is a Doll Strong Black Shadow series. There's a link below for a Doll Strong. If you want to get one of these knives, you got a 10% off code. Cooking with CJ. There you go. And Cooking with CJ on the checkout. He's good to go. How these wings are doing? Looking good. Okay, we're getting some great color on these. One thing I forgot to mention is we're gonna do a little pineapple juice to steam these. So crack that up, shake it up. Just add a little bit over there. Okay. I'm gonna put my lid on. Granted, it's not the biggest lid in town, but it'll do. Okay, we're just gonna let it steam. Let that good stuff happen. Okay, we let them go for a little bit. Steaming, feeling good. I'm gonna switch them over, flip them over. Now we're gonna get our soy sauce in there. All this stuff is going to render down, caramelize, and add such a nice, add a lot of nice sweet stickiness to it. And we'll work on getting all these back underneath there. Okay. Again, this isn't the perfect seal, but it's close enough. Let's add a little of Dutch's sweet heat rub to it. Daddy Dutch BBQ. The wind's blowing over this way, so we're gonna try to catch it this way. The soy sauce is starting to caramelize a bit in there. We're adding some good color to these wings. Look at that right there. That's some good color. Let's get a temp on some of these. Let's see where we're at. 156. Yeah, that's not bad. I want to take these to about 170, so they're fully cooked. Obviously, they're going to be fully cooked at 140. Yeah, some of these are going to take more time than others. All right, get a little more of the sweet heat on the top of these. Okay. Looking good. Okay, let's see what these are temping out now. Alright, we still got a little bit of time. Alright guys, these are temped out real good. Let's get them off and we'll plate them up and do a taste test. Okay, we're done here. Let's get a quick bite. Got all the flavors in the rainbow right there. The sweet, the heat, got a little fruity from that pineapple juice. It's way too tasty. That soy, salty umami. Nice crustification from using the Blackstone. All right, good stuff, guys. Just a quick, easy video for you. Like I said, we had to get outside. It's such a beautiful day outside. And even though we have the distraction of the outside noises, you know, the cars going by or the air conditioner on, whatever, it's still nice to get out there and get some sun on me, get some outdoor cooking in. I used the 17-inch tabletop griddle, but this recipe can be done on any of your Blackstone, any of your griddles, all right? We did over a dozen wings on this thing, I think. I didn't do the right count, but we did a lot of wings, handled it, could have done a lot more. I'll put the link down below for it. And like I said, if you want to get that Dow Strong knife, links down below too. If you guys want to become a show producer, help me get some windscreens out here to get all these noise down, click this link right here, become a Patreon, become a producer of our show. You get your name on the end credits, a couple other things. That's it. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thank you. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.